Hello everyone, welcome back to Queenly Conversations. Today, you'll practice real English conversations about everyday activities. Listen carefully, repeat after us, and enjoy today's lesson. Let's begin. Part 1, Daily Routine. It's a beautiful morning. Emma and David meet at their favorite coffee shop before work. Today, they are talking about their morning routines and daily habits. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. Good morning, David.
Good morning, Emma. It's nice to see you again.
It's nice to see you too. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I slept very well. How about you?
I slept well too. I feel great today.
That's good to hear. What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 6:30. What about you?
I usually get up at 6 o'clock. I like waking up early.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do. I go for a short walk every morning. Do you exercise?
Yes, I do some yoga for about 20 minutes. It helps me feel relaxed.
That sounds healthy. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have bread, eggs, and a cup of coffee. Sometimes I eat fruit too. What about you?
I usually have rice or noodles, and I always drink a cup of tea.
That sounds delicious. Do you leave home early?
Yes, I leave home at 7:30. I don't like being late.
Me neither. I always try to arrive on time.
Having a good morning routine is very important.
I agree. A good morning helps us have a great day. Excellent. Now let's practice these useful expressions together. Part 2, going to work or school. After finishing their coffee, Emma and David leave the cafe together. As they walk to the bus stop, they talk about how they go to work and how long it takes to get there. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. How do you usually go to work, David?
I usually take the bus. What about you?
I usually drive to work. Sometimes I walk if the weather is nice.
How long does it take you to get to work?
It takes about 20 minutes. How about you?
It takes about 30 minutes by bus. I usually listen to music on the way.
That sounds relaxing. Do you like taking the bus?
Yes, I do. I can read a book or listen to podcasts. What about you? Do you enjoy driving?
Yes, I do. Driving is convenient, but sometimes the traffic is very busy.
What time do you usually start work?
I start work at 8:30, and you?
I start at 9 o'clock. I always try to arrive a little early.
That's a good habit. Being on time is very important.
I agree. A good start makes the whole day better.
Excellent. Now let's practice these useful expressions together. Part 3, Lunchtime. After arriving at work, Emma and David are busy with their morning tasks. At lunchtime, they meet again at a nearby cafe. While enjoying their lunch together, they talk about their favorite food, cooking, and healthy eating habits. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. Hi, David. Are you ready for lunch?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I'm very hungry. Let's eat together.
Great idea. What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice with chicken or fish. Sometimes I have noodles. What about you?
I usually have a sandwich or a salad. I like healthy food.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook at home?
Yes, I do. I enjoy cooking on weekends. It's relaxing. Do you like cooking?
A little. I can cook simple meals like fried rice and noodles, but I'm still learning.
That's great. Cooking is a useful skill.
I agree. Sometimes I also eat at restaurants with my friends.
What's your favorite food?
I love Vietnamese pho. It's my favorite. How about you?
I really like pasta and grilled chicken. I also enjoy fresh fruit after lunch.
Do you drink coffee after lunch?
Sometimes, but I usually drink water or green tea.
That's a healthy habit. I drink too much coffee.
Maybe you should drink a little less.
You're right. I'll try my best.
Good luck. Small changes can make a big difference. Excellent. Now let's practice these useful expressions together. Part 4. Evening activities. After a busy day at work, Emma and David meet again at a beautiful city park. The weather is cool and they enjoy a relaxing walk together. They talk about what they usually do in the evening after work. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. Hi David, how was your day?
Hi Emma, it was busy but it was a good day. How about you?
It was great. I'm happy the workday is over.
So what do you usually do after work?
I usually go home and have dinner with my family. After that, I read a book or watch a movie. What about you?
I usually go for a walk before dinner. It helps me relax.
That's a healthy habit. Do you exercise in the evening?
Sometimes I go to the gym 2 or 3 times a week. Do you exercise?
Yes, I usually do yoga or stretching at home. It helps me sleep better.
Do you watch TV in the evenings?
Sometimes, but I prefer reading books or listening to music. What about you?
I enjoy watching travel videos and learning new things online.
That's interesting. Do you study English every day?
Yes, I do. I usually study English for about 30 minutes every evening.
That's wonderful. Practice every day is the best way to improve.
I agree. Even a little practice every day makes a big difference.
Exactly. Learning English should be fun and enjoyable. Excellent. Now let's practice these useful expressions together. Part 5. Weekend plans. The sun is beginning to set. Emma and David finish their walk in the park and start talking about their weekend plans. They are excited to relax and spend time doing the things they enjoy. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. The weekend is almost here. Do you have any plans?
Yes, I do. I'm going to visit my parents this Saturday. How about you?
I'm going to meet some friends for lunch. In the afternoon, I'd like to read a new book.
That sounds wonderful. Do you usually stay at home on Sundays?
Sometimes, but I also enjoy going to the park or visiting a cafe. What about you?
I like spending time with my family. Sometimes we watch movies together or cook dinner.
That sounds like a perfect weekend. Do you ever study English on weekends?
Of course, I usually spend about 1 hour practicing English. I listen to conversations and learn new words.
That's a great habit. Learning a little every day really helps.
I agree, practice makes progress.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more confident you become.
Thank you for another wonderful conversation, Emma.
You're welcome, David. Have a great weekend.
Well, you too. See you next time.
Excellent. Now let's practice these useful expressions together. Repeat after me. Do you have any plans? I'm going to visit my parents. I'm going to meet some friends. I enjoy spending time with my family. Do you study English on weekends? I practice English every day. Practice makes progress. Have a great weekend. See you next time. Ending excellent job. Thank you for practicing English with us today. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson and learned some useful English expressions. Keep practicing a little every day, and you'll become more confident with every conversation. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to Queenly Conversations for more beginner-friendly English lessons. We'll see you in Lesson 5, where you'll practice English in another real-life conversation. Until then, take care, keep learning, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye, everyone.